But you better make sure inside your head what the disperse means. Can you look up that word disperse? Diaspora. Let me see if I brought that.
The word for disperse is scatter, to separate or break up.
So when the brother was doing his lesson, we encountered a similitude. Yahweh said he's going to sever the other nations. Also, he can sever his own people because of what they're doing. Go back to Acts.
And this is a definition for diaspora, the dispersion of the Jews beyond Israel.
Woo! Damn. It's getting crystal clear now.
It says the Jews living outside Palestine or modern Israel, members of the diaspora.
Members of a dispersion that got severed.
The settling of scattered colonies of Jews outside ancient Palestine after the Babylonian exile.
Now consider, if you will, for a moment, what would make a people leave their homeland? Because California was Mexico, why did Mexicans from California have to leave California? Because the white man came, stole the gold, kicked us out of the land, right? It's called a dispersion. The West Africans, the so-called Negroes, Benjamin, Levi, and Judah, they were dispersed by slavery. Go ahead.
Another definition for diaspora in the vocabulary.com, it says a diaspora is a large group of people with a similar heritage or homeland who have since moved out to places all over the world.
That is crucial.
The term diaspora comes from an ancient Greek word meaning to scatter about.
So that's all it means. It means to scatter about.
The Bible refers to the diaspora of Jews exiled from Israel by the Babylonians.
Oh man. So let's go back to Acts 2. So now we're going to understand why these people, the multitude is confounded, and they're like, aren't these Galileans that speaking in different tongues?
This is Acts 2 and 8. And how hear we every man in our own tongue, wherein we were born.
Because of the dispersion.
It says, Parthians and Medes and Elamites, and the dwellers in Mesopotamia and in Judea and Cappadocia, in Pontus and Asia.
All over. Different tongues and different languages.
Phrygia and Pamphylia in Egypt, and in the parts of Libya about Cyrene, and strangers of Rome.
Strangers of Rome. Okay, so now let's talk about they were in Egypt, right? Joseph was in Egypt. Those Negroes and Africans look the same. They can blend in with each other. But what happens when a Negro goes to a place where there's no dark-skinned people? He doesn't blend in. And then those people start mixing up with those other nations. They will disappear in 3 or 4 generations. Go to Revelation 7. Because now we're going to know. Now we're putting puzzles together, man. If these people that believe in Yahweh Shem Yahweh Shai and they look different, and they believe it's because they have the spirit to believe, right? It's because their fathers are Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, like us. Go ahead.
This is Revelation 7 and 1. And after these things I saw 4 angels standing on the 4 corners of the earth, holding the 4 winds of the earth.
Those 4 winds represents devastation of nuclear ICBMs. World War III, the chip, all these plagues that are coming about, that are gonna happen pretty soon. Go ahead.
It says, holding the 4 winds of the earth, that the wind should not blow on the earth, nor on the sea, nor on any tree.
So the ultimate devastation is not gonna happen yet. Because why? Go ahead.
It says, and I saw another angel ascending from the east, having the seal of the living power. And he cried with a loud voice to the 4 angels, to whom it was given to hurt the earth and the sea, saying, hurt not the earth, neither the sea nor the trees, till we have sealed the servants of our power in their foreheads.
So how do you seal the power? How do you seal the servants? If you believe in the devil, you get the 3 6s, right? If you believe in the devil, you're gonna get those 3 6s tattoos, and you're definitely gonna get the mark of the beast. So if you're a servant of the Most High, what are you gonna do? It's not the sign of the cross. You gotta get the truth. That's the truth. That's the seal. Okay.
Because wearing a cross is not going to save you.
Let's say you lose that cross. How's that cross going to save you now? Let's say we lose the Bible. We got some of the scriptures in our heart. We won't forget. But there will be a time when Yahweh Hashem Yahushua will put the whole scriptures in our heart, which is our mind. Go ahead.
It says, saying, hurt not the earth, nor the sea, nor the trees, till we have sealed the servants of our power in their foreheads. And I heard the number of them which were sealed, and there were sealed 144,000 of all the tribes of the children of Israel.
So only 144,000 from the tribes of Israel. These people right here. That's why this sign is so important. See, that sign is very important. It tells you who to look for.
It says,
if it starts numbering the tribes, then we're done.
It says 12,000 from each tribe, from 12 tribes of Israel.
So that's it. Only Israel's gonna make it, but the dispersion are these 12 tribes just scattered all over the world, looking like different people. So that was this week's show. The water Yahweh Bashim Yahushai Bashim Rahak Wadash. We're gonna say till the next time, Shalom.
Shalom.